Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix and troubleshoot the issue. Window is stuck on downloading and it's not getting downloaded on your Windows 11 or 10. So if the window is stuck on the screen, I mean the boot screen, you can press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Remove all the external cables and then turn it on. And if this is happening on your Windows, the window update is stuck on here and it is not getting downloaded. So this video is for you. First of all, you need to make sure that your C drive is at least 40 to 50 GB free space you have. Now if you already have, let's move on. Now we need to open the services, type services, and simply run it as administrator. And once you run it as administrator, click anywhere on it and press W on your keyboard and look for Windows Update Service, the service, and make sure it's running automatically. Double click on this and startup type, choose to automatic, but manual is also work, but you just need to push the update, but automatic is recommended. I always keep it as manual, but make sure it service is running. If it is not running, you can start it from here, and if this is the stop state, you can see here we need to start it. Now once you see it's running, now again restart the service and push check for update again and see if that is working for you or not. If still that is not working for you, so we have the option that is called troubleshoot setting. Click on your system and then you need to click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooter, and simply click on Windows Update and run it. You need to wait here. Can't download, uninstall, choose that option, give the consent yes. And by this way it will try to resolve your issue. Just give the consent to yes. And these are the options. You can also talk to agent, but not show in this video. So cancel this and now see if that fix your issue or not. If still not fix your issue, open the services again and stop the service first. Windows Update Service, it's stop. And now background service, that is called bit, background integer transfer. If it is running, then stop it. And once it is stopped, we need to go to this location, see Windows and software distribution, see Windows. Now press S on your keyboard and look for software distribution and delete all the data inside here. Just delete it, and if something is not deleting, let it be there like this. Okay, and once you delete it, you can start this service, or also window update service. This window update service, start it, and once you start it, the software, the folder is created automatically. Now again check for update on your Windows and this will surely fix your issue. Additionally, you can open CMD as admin and hit the SFC / scan now command. This will fix the Windows corruption. and try to fix your Windows after that and restart Windows and check for update, and I'm pretty sure your issue will be fixed. So these are the fixes to fix the issue, guys. I hope your issue is fixed. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.